Hello everyone, welcome to my cooking style. Okay, now what we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna show you how to do a new juice combination with our Royal Prestige hardware, you can call it. Of course, my business partner and my friend has already used on our first Spanish video. As you can see, it's a brand, Royal Prestige, and I want to show you how it works and how it can benefit your life. In this case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 4 types of vegetables along with fruits. We have beets, celery, carrots. The first thing I'm going to do, cut fruit in pieces, because as you can see, this device has a cover that may not be large enough for you to put big fruits through. You're gonna have to cut it like everything else, otherwise it won't fall down. So you're gonna have to cut it and put it through the funnel in order to be received at the bottom of the machine. First vegetable in the machine. What is the beet good for? Well, if you guys go to Google, you will find out so many benefits, inclusive the nervous system. It helps your brain, it helps your blood, feeds your cholesterol, it helps you against cancer. 12 benefits. You can go to Google right now. I don't like to sponsor anybody's Google, but we all know Google anyways. You can go to Google and find out what are the benefits of eating beets. Of course, I know you're not gonna eat them like this. You usually cook them, you shred them in blender. That's perfectly fine. But for you to have a juice, a beet juice, I mean, it's very hard to do. So this machine has a feature which I love, that sometimes if the roller stops because something is too hard, nothing is too hard for this. And the way around that is that this has a reverse button. Look at this. See? Nothing stops at this machine. Nothing. I put a wooden spoon the other day inside to push something through, and it ate the spoon. So celery has a lot of benefits for your brain and for your nervous system as well. It's anti-cancerous, it's good for your stomach. I'm gonna get this in there. Of course, this is a piece of cake for the machine. Next thing we're going to add is carrots. Carrots are really hard. Look at this. Is it gonna break it? Let's try it. Carrots are good for your eyes. Carrots are good for your eyes because it contains carotene and vitamin A, which is good for your eye. How much light you receive in your eyes, it helps the nerves. You want to keep your eyes healthy for longer. You want to have your immune system stronger. So apples. This is the last thing we're going to add to this juice. What is apple good for? The saying from the doctor, 1 apple a day keeps the doctor away, and that's absolutely true. It's good for your immune system. It's good for your prostate in men. It's really important you eat this if you don't want to have cancer in your prostate. This helps avoid. Also, another benefit that is very good when you eat it, it cleans your teeth. It's really good for your teeth. It cleans up your teeth. Also has antioxidants. It cleans your blood. opens up a jar just like this. For you and your family, friends you may have at home, they'll enjoy this. Our juicer has finished doing its job. We're going to add the whole mixture of all 4 ingredients, and there they go. Like I said, Eduardo did one earlier, and we're going to add a new quantity there. There's something more just attached to it, but this is so thick and so beautiful. It extracts every little benefit. Now we have a cup, and I'm gonna taste it. Wow, it's amazing. You gotta try this at home. Right now, I'm drinking this cup. I'm drinking live. Your health insurance is in your backyard. You want a machine like this? Contact us. We're gonna leave you an email at the bottom. Send us a message, and we will text you back. We will send you a message back to see how we can get this product to you. It's an amazing product. You're not going to regret it. It's beautiful and it's good for your life. I see you guys in the next video. Next time we're gonna be most likely in Las Vegas. After you see this video, we're gonna be flying this coming Friday, and I hope you guys enjoy our trip. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Edge Entertainment out.